Okay, we're going to look at factoring today. We have factored a single GCF piece out. In other words, we factored a monomial out of maybe 2 or 3 different terms. Today we're going to look at factoring a trinomial into 2 binomials. And we've got to think backwards of how we multiply 2 binomials together to get our trinomial in order for us to go backwards. So we're looking to get 2 parentheses with 2 pieces each in each of those. Well, if you think about how we got that first term when we were multiplying using the FOIL method, it actually came from the first 2 pieces being multiplied together. The only way we can really get r squared is either 1 times r squared or r times r. So it's undoubtedly going to be the r times r that we're looking for here. The way we got this last spot, it came from these last 2 pieces being multiplied together. So if we can think of everything that multiplies to 24, 1 times 24, -1 times -24, let's see, we've got 2 times 12, of course we can have both of these negative, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now, if you don't know your multiplication facts very well, this could take a little while for you to figure out what these are. Now, the other piece is the middle piece. So we could have any one of these combinations work to give us the 24, but we need to get an 11 in the middle. And if you recall how that came about, that was a combination of the middle 2 pieces when we factored the outer and the inner pieces. So it came by adding the outer and the inner pieces. So we're going to look at all the combinations that add up to 11. Add to 11. So we have, that adds to 25, -25, 14, 11. Ooh, there we go. So this is the combination we want. We are looking for a positive 11. This is going to be it, which means our factoring goes to a positive 3 and a positive 8. Now, we're going to multiply that back together just to double check. This is our answer, unless we made a mistake. This is our answer. We're going to do a check now to see if we got the right answer. So, FOIL, first times first, outer, middle, or inner, I guess it is, inner, and then last. Combine your middle, like term pieces, and we have the original problem. So this is what this does factor to. It's where it came from. Okay, let's try another one of those. This time we have a negative in there we have to keep in mind. But factoring to our 2 binomials, y squared, this has got to be y and y. Let's see what we can come up with for multiplying together to give us a positive 8. Multiplying to 8. 1 times 8, of course, then -1 and -8. And then 2 times 4 is the only other combination I can think of that gives us 8. So we only have 4 things it could possibly be. Well, we're looking for what adds up to -6. What adds to -6? This adds to 9 and -9, 6, and then finally our -6. So this is the combination that we're going to want in here. So these are the 2 numbers, -2 and -4, that are going to go in here to make this work. We're going to try it. We're going to check it. Multiply. First, outer, inner, last. Combine your like terms. And this does give you what we started with. Y squared minus a 6y and plus an 8. So always double check to make sure what you think it factors to is what it really factors to. But that's what we're going to be looking at in this section. So if you need some more examples or you want me to show you another one, just let me know. I'll show you individually, but I think that's enough for our video.